Hello and welcome back to Top Foreign Channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can acquire free coins without any investment. The best part is that you can withdraw your earnings in various cryptocurrencies such as IST, Cash, Binance Coin, Digibyte, Telegram, Litecoin, TRX, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Solana, and Bitcoin Cash. All you need to do is sign up, and I'll provide the link in the description box below. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From there, you can start claiming free coins every 5 minutes without expending any energy. Simply click the claim button, wait for the timer to reach 0, and complete the CAPTCHA. After that, you can collect your reward, which will be added to your account balance. You have the opportunity to claim up to 500 times per day. Additionally, there's a Wheel of Fortune feature that requires energy. To acquire energy, you can complete short links or visit different websites. Once you have enough energy, you can use the Wheel of Fortune to earn more coins. So, earning free coins is that simple. Give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. Now let's explore a website called PDC, which offers 9 different websites for you to visit and earn coins. Currently, we're viewing one that grants you 7 coins just for spending 30 seconds on their site. To begin, click Go and you'll be redirected to their website. Make sure to remain there for at least 30 seconds to receive your 70 coins. The timer is already counting down, so let's wait for it to finish. Once the timer elapses, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA to claim your reward. It will ask you to select the upside-down picture, and once you've done that, click Verify. You'll then be taken back to the website where you'll see that you've earned 70 coins effortlessly. Now let's explore another website on PDC. This particular one awards you 30 coins for spending 15 seconds on their site. Click Go to get started. To claim your reward, spend approximately 15 seconds on their website. Afterward, complete the CAPTCHA by selecting the upside-down picture just like before. Click Verify and you'll notice that 30 coins have been added to your account balance. Simply click OK to confirm and you're all set. Keep earning those coins, guys. In my account, I currently have around 240 coins, and there are still 7 ads available for me to visit. Let's check out this particular one. They're offering 25 points for staying on their website for 10 seconds. Let's click Go and spend about 10 seconds on their site. Once we're done, we'll complete the CAPTCHA, return, and collect our payment. And there you have it. 25 coins have been added to my account, which now totals 165 coins. If you're looking to earn some quick coins, you can visit Short Links. Simply click on Short Link and you'll find numerous websites waiting for you to visit them. You'll receive instant payment for visiting these sites. By visiting all the websites listed here, you can earn a total of 1260 points. Additionally, this particular website will pay you 50 coins plus 20 energy just for a brief visit. To claim this, click Claim Link. You'll also come across many other websites here that are willing to pay you for visiting their short links. While doing so, you'll also earn some energy. You can use this energy to activate the Wheel of Fortune. Keep in mind that energy can only be obtained by visiting short links or completing offers. Furthermore, you can obtain a small bonus by clicking on the daily bonus. Simply complete the CAPTCHA and click on Claim. However, please note that you can only claim your daily bonus every 10 hours. If you wish to withdraw your coins, click the Withdraw button here. Now let me explain how you can withdraw your earnings from this website. First, select your preferred payment method. Currently, it is only available through Day. Then, choose the cryptocurrency in which you want to receive your payment. You can withdraw in EST with a minimum of 1,000 points, equivalent to 0.01 EST. So, if you've earned 1,000 coins, you can withdraw 10 cents. To complete the withdrawal process, enter your faucet email address. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the payment process. The system is designed to make automatic and instant payments using Force HP. However, if any suspicious activity is detected from your account, your payment will be held for inspection. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content on earning money online through cryptocurrency and airdrops. Don't forget to check out the next video.